and welcome back everyone. This is Danrie from Craft of Giving, and in today's video I want to share something a little bit different. This is the Elves box by a company called Sophie and Toffee. It's a subscription box that I've purchased with my own money, as I've seen some YouTubers on YouTube open these boxes, and I was very intrigued and wanted to see what it's like for myself. So I went ahead and subscribed to their subscription box, and I've received a fair few of them already, and I've really enjoyed it, and I thought I will share it with you guys. So this is the June box, and this is what's included. Once you open your box, you receive a little card that says what's in your box. So in the June's box, we received a Japanese reusable mold maker, which is that clay we saw first up, as well as some hoop findings, some screw eyes, as well as this super cute star chain, and you get 2 of those. They've also included these super cute little bead perler thingies, as well as some little charms that you use in some of your creations, as well as some ocean themed gems and pearls. In this box I've also received a little moon and star silicone mold that you can use for resin or clay or any sort of mold making things you need, as well as this super cool UV nail lamp. Now I was very excited about this because with the resin that Sophie and Toffee do send out in their subscription boxes, you do need to use UV lights, or if it's like a UV set resin. So I was very excited to receive one of these, and it's just a simple little USB plug-in, and it worked beautifully. It came with like a little stand that you can push flat if you needed the UV light to be a bit closer to your creations, and of course the molds fit underneath it perfectly. Next up is another little packet of colorful plastic clay. So this is the Japanese reusable mold maker, and you can use this clay to make little molds. And they've also included these super cute ocean themed metal inclusions, again, that you can use in your creations when setting resin. And another little mold with super cute little stars and shells. Now Sophie and Toffee also included this magic stuff called UV resin, and this is the thin type. They've also included a small bottle of their Sophie and Toffee purple iridescent dye that you use to color your resin for your creations. And finally, they've also included a little packet, well, a big packet of nail art glitter. So this is all mermaid themed that you can use in your creations. And not finally, but finally, a little sheet of ocean themed stickers / film that you can cut out individually, the little images, and use in your creations as well. In conclusion, here is a little overview of what's included in the Elves box for the month of June. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's just a little bit of a different video this time. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun projects. Remember to be crafty with your giving. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!